2, take 1.
My name is Ozge, and I've been with Ivanka Loria for a bit over 5 years now. Not only having my hair done with Ivanka, but also utilising the extensions in my own little business as well. This is a really tough question, and it's the first time that I'm sharing this answer. Yeah, no, I need a minute. Late 2017, I was diagnosed with breast cancer, and it was pretty full on. When you first hear those words, you don't really know how to feel. The first thing that I thought of was, not necessarily the disease, but it was, oh my God, my hair's gonna fall out. Hair is everything to me. Hair is my identity. Hair is what I do for work. It's a big part of who I am and what I do, and my background is Turkish. So you can imagine thick, curly, dark hair. And as a child, I was known for my curly hair. When I started taking medication and doing some different things with my disease, my texture started to change. It became fluffy and really thin. It was when I started having my first round of radiotherapy, and it was on the back of my neck. So I started to lose hair, and at that point that was really challenging because I didn't know whether I was going to lose all of my hair. Hair is who we are as women. So this is why I had to go back to straightening my hair just so it looked nice while I was going through what I was going through, just to feel better about myself. Being in the industry, there was many times where, dabbled in so many different types of hair extensions, and I got to a point where I hated them. Glue-in extensions, tape-in extensions. I even remember a time when I had some tape extensions and I was having a conversation with someone and one just fell out. When I first went into and sat into Ivanka's chair, my hair was a bit terrible. I didn't think it was savable. So she really understood what I wanted and wanted to give me that beautiful lush hair. And it was a really nice experience to have that conversation with her and to give me that confidence again to be able to have what I wanted. I started off with straight hair, and as soon as she launched into curly extensions, I was like, oh my God. Having options, you can be straight 1 minute and be curly the next minute. And I have had both, and I've gone back to curly now. When I first had my extensions installed, and I've still got those photos, it was incredible. It was incredible to have thick hair again. But not only thick hair, it was invisible. No one knew that I had extensions until I told them, and I wanted to share. I wanted to tell people I had extensions because they were so good. It made me feel like me again. And I think that was probably the pivotal moment that I thought, nothing's gonna define me. If I think back to that first minute that I was diagnosed, I probably didn't think I was going to be here today. So I think support alongside your family, the people you come across, and I feel like I've fallen into, the Ivanka Loria movement, and it's been a massive support with, my hair, what I do as well as a hairdresser. Probably the one word that sticks out to me right now is that I'm lucky. I'm lucky that I get to meet people like-minded, and I'm lucky that I get to meet people that are strong, and I'm lucky that I get to be me again.